I'm James Sweeney, and here is your morning market brief. We're beginning overseas this with the major Asian Pacific markets once again in the green, as India's BSE Sensex index is up a total of 3.68%. The major European markets also on the upside, and U.S. stock futures are pointing towards a higher open. First, we begin overseas this as Japan's Finance Minister Yoshihiko Noda was chosen to become Japan's new Prime Minister today. The Democratic Party of Japan's lawmakers voted 215 to 177 in favor of Mr. Noda. Meanwhile, China has increased its reserve requirements again, this time in a move to control both liquidity as well as inflation. And over the weekend, European officials have criticized Christine Lagarde for her confused and misguided attack on the health of Europe's banks. This after she called for an urgent recapitalization of Europe's weakest lenders. Meanwhile, in economic reports overseas, UK home prices fell for a fourth month for the month of August. This with the average cost of a home falling 0.1% from July and down 3.7% from 1 year ago. Meanwhile, just released out of the United States, we have U.S. personal income figures, which did come in relatively unchanged at 0.3%. Meanwhile, personal spending rising more than expected to 0.8%, and core personal expenditures remained unchanged, falling in line with expectations at 0.2%. And in terms of business news, Anglo-Irish sold its $9.5 billion pool of U.S. commercial real estate loans to the combination of Wells Fargo, JP Morgan Chase, and Low Star funds, once again for $9.5 billion.